Manamit ang adobo. That means the adobo is delicious. Manamit is delicious and adobo is a Filipino dish. Hindi manamit ang adobo. When we say hindi, that means not. Hindi manamit ang adobo means the adobo is not delicious. Mapait ang tinola. When we say mapait, that means sour and soup is tinola. Mapait ang tinola. To say that the soup is not sour, that would be hindi mapait ang tinola. Matamis ang paho. That means the mango is sweet. When we say matamis, that's sweet, and paho is mango. So to say that the mango is not sweet, that would be hindi matamis ang paho. The soup is tasteless. Malasay ang sabaw. When we say malasay, that means tasteless and sabaw is soup. Malasay ang sabaw. To say that the soup is not tasteless, that would be hindi malasay ang sabaw. Matamis nga yuhom. When we say matamis, that's sweet and yuhom is smile. So matamis nga yuhom. Hindi matamis nga yuhom. That means a not sweet smile or not sweet smile. Hindi matamis nga yuhom. Makahang ang katumbal. When we say makahang, that means spicy and katumbal is chili. Makahang ang katumbal. To say that chili is not spicy, that would be hindi makahang ang katumbal. Makarhat ang pinya. When we say pinya, that's pineapple, and makarhat, that means bittersweet. Makarhat ang pinya. To say that the pineapple is not bittersweet, that would be hindi makarhat ang pinya. Maalat ang ginluto niya. That means what he or she cooked is salty. So niya is either he or she. Luto, that means cook. Ginluto is cooked. Maalat is salty. Maalat ang ginluto niya. Hindi maalat ang ginluto niya. That means what he or she cooked is not salty. Hindi maalat ang ginluto niya. Maaslom ang hilaw nga paho. When we say maaslom, that means sour. And then hilaw is young or not ripe, and paho is mango. So maaslom ang hilaw nga paho, the young mango fruit is sour. Hindi maaslom ang hilaw nga paho, that means the young mango fruit is not sour. Mapait ang kinabuhi. That means a bitter life. Mapait is bitter, kabuhi is life. Mapait ang kinabuhi. Hindi mapait ang kinabuhi, that means a not bitter life. Hindi mapait ang kinabuhi. Mapait ang amargoso. When we say amargoso, that's bitter gourd. Mapait is bitter, so the bitter gourd is bitter. Mapait ang amargoso. To say that the bitter gourd is not bitter, that would be hindi mapait ang amargoso. Mananam ang sinigang. When we say sinigang, that's a Filipino dish, and mananam is tasty. Mananam ang sinigang, the sinigang is tasty. To say that the sinigang is not tasty, that would be hindi mananam ang sinigang. Saboroso ang ginluto niya. That means what he or she cooked is flavorful. Saboroso is flavorful. Luto is cooked. Ginluto is cooked. Niya is either he or she, is gender neutral. Saboroso ang ginluto niya. To say that what he or she cooked is not flavorful, that would be hindi saboroso ang ginluto niya. Maaslom ang suha. That means the pomelo is sour. Maaslom is sour and suha is pomelo. To say that the pomelo is not sour, that would be hindi maaslom ang suha. If you learned something new from this video, please don't forget to click like, leave a comment, and subscribe. Moreover, you might also want to watch the next video on the screen. Maraming salamat, thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.